Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Figure 1 shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y is equal to f of x. The table below shows some corresponding values of x and y for this curve. The values of y are given to 3 decimal places. Use the trapezium rule with all of the values y given in the table. Obtain an estimate for f of x to the limits of 1 and -1, giving your answer to 2 decimal places. So why do we have to use trapezium rule? Well, a trapezium, the area of it is simply height divided by 2 into a plus b. And if we look at the curve, we can actually sort of see different trapeziums. And the formula for the trapezium rule is simply h divided by 2 into y1 plus 2 times y2 plus y3 plus y so on and so forth into the last one, which we'll write as y7. Now, we can see here that the height is given on the x-axis, which is here, and we simply have to find the difference between each of them. So the difference between each of the answers given is 0.5. So we can actually write that down already, 0.5 over 2. y1 is our first value. The last y is our last value. And 2 times this is simply whatever in the middle. So let's try it. y1 is given as 2.287 plus 2 times whatever's in the middle, which is 4.47 plus 6.719 plus 7.291, which we then add 2.834 and close the bracket. We can then use our calculator here. We have 0.5 divided by 2 into 2.287 plus 2 into 4.47 plus 6.719 plus 7.291, close the bracket, and we add the final value of 2.834. We get 10.52, and we round to 2 decimal places. So our answer is 10.52. B. Use your answer in part A to estimate f of x minus 2 into the limits of 1 and -1. But we can see that f of x we had already found. So all we have to do is find the integral of -2. So we can find this out as -2 integral to 1 and -1 is given as -2x to the limits of 1 and -1. We simply substitute the limit into x, so we can see that it is equal to -2 times 1 is -2 minus -2 times -1 is -2. So we simply get -4. So we can actually combine this with our original one, since f of x is simply equal to 10.52. So we can see this as 10.52 minus 4. This gives us 6.52. Now, for the second one, f into x minus 2 to the integral of 3 to 1. X minus 2 simply moves on the x-axis. So, for example, if I have this curve with this area, and I move it across the x-axis to here, the area will stay the same. So our answer is simply f of x, which is 10.52. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.